Hi everyone, it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. In my last video, you saw how to make a beaded applique in 5 steps. In the video, I said that it's important to make a clean outline, but it can be hard to make a clean line with beads, and that's frustrating. So in this video, you'll see how to sew on these round beads in a perfectly straight line. Let's get started. First, draw a line to follow on your fabric. It's very important to draw a line that you can follow with your beads, and if the line is not straight, your line of beads won't be straight either. So draw a nice clean line. Then make sure to tie a knot at the end of your thread and bring your needle out right on the line. Add a bead, and when you send your needle to the back, check these 3 points. Place the needle at a 90-degree angle against the base. The needle should be right on the line you drew, and the needle should be touching the bead. And send the needle to the back. Come back up where you started and send your needle through the same bead. By going through the same bead twice, you're fixing the bead to the fabric firmly, and the thread is facing the direction of the line second time around instead of facing down to the fabric. And this helps the line become straight. Add another bead, make sure the 3 points, 90-degree angle on the line touching the bead, and send the needle to the back. Come back up between the first and second bead and go through the second bead again, and repeat. Once you have a few beads going, check to make sure the beads are not too tight against each other. If they are, they'll start to shift off to the side and make an uneven line. Follow the 3 points for each bead. 90 degrees on the line touching the bead. You have a nice straight line of beads, and the back side will also look neat like this. You can follow the same steps to follow a curved line as well. Always check the 3 points and you'll create a beautiful curved line with your round beads. I hope this tutorial helps you create beautiful appliques, and if you want to make these appliques, you can get DIY applique kits from my online store. The kits come with all the materials you need, and the lines are already drawn, so all you have to do is follow the step-by-step instructions. Click the link in the description to check it out. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!